a new alphabet. So today we are going to learn a new alphabet, alphabet C. So can you see this alphabet? Alphabet C. So today we will learn the phonic sound of alphabet C. So what is the phonic sound of alphabet C? K. Repeat after me. K. C for car. K. K. Car. C for car. K. K. Car. Boys love to play with cars, right? You all love to play with a toy car. C for car. K. K. Car. Wow, which animal is this? This is a cat. C for cat. K. K. Cat. C for cat. K. K. Cat. And do you know how is the sound of cat? Meow. Meow. Have you seen cat? See, Kaushal sir is playing with the cat. C for cat. K. K. Cat. This is a cat. C for cat. K. K. Cat. We wear it on our head. C for cat. K. K. Cat. Which animal is this? This is a camel. Very good. C for camel. K. K. Camel. C for camel. K. K. Camel. And look, what is this? This is a cake. I love eating cake. Do you like? C for cake. K. K. Cake. C for cake. K. K. Cake. So today we have learned the phonic sound of alphabet C and its related words. So in the next class I'll teach you a new phonic sound of a new alphabet. Till then, bye-bye.